Hi everybody, my name is Jamie and I'm from Texas and I want to talk about On Veneers. I want to talk about how fast and easy the ordering process is. You make your molds and then within a couple of weeks you get your veneer. And it's so easy to use. It's fitted to your mouth. Just pop it in. This is my before. And this is after. Look how good that looks. It looks natural. I feel confident when I go to work. I can go out. I can go shopping. I can hang out with friends. I can go out to eat. I love my new smile. Thank you, On Veneers.